demonstrate for you how to use the cutter. You want to be, to move something around, I almost use my hand. Really, something like this is better. So you want to make sure that you are just to the right of this and just to the left of this slot, because that's right where those lines are gonna line up, right? So you want this to go away, and you want that to go away, and you want this to be flat up against here. So unlike what you always see in all the videos where this just comes all the way through nice and neat, the reality is if you have something thicker through here, which I do, you're gonna see that I'm gonna get started. And it's beautiful, see? And now I get to here, and I can't push through hardly enough, so I have to put my whole body into it like this, but not too hard, because it's going to crunch through if I'm not careful and I want to break the strings. I'm about to do it. Like that. See? What they never show you. And what you want to do is quickly, if you can, remove the excess. Otherwise it gets in your way. This is a pâte and a ganache. See how I want that to come off like that? So now you come from the back. You pull it up, you lift it, and you see all the stuff on the strings. That's why you don't really want to cut through it again until you clean those. So again, you could lift it with your hands, or you might want to use a tool, be a little bit safer. You don't want any waste. So I did this just perfect. See how it's just to the right of that and just to the left of that. But resist the temptation to crunch, because you still see all this stuff. So I don't even like that. I want to have these clean. Oh geez, did you see that? What is this, amateur hour? Oh my God. All right, what you just saw me do, don't do that. That was dumb. All right, it's clean now. Let's try it. And here I go again. Nice. Get this off quickly. All right. There is 256 pieces.